Hello everyone. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Arjun Buray Kabangbang. I live in Arizona, Midsayap, Cotabato. Here in Arizona has a healthy workplace who collaborate with different people, a culture of respect and growth, and environment that supports productivity and well-being. My father's name is Ariston A. Kabangbang Jr. and my mother's name is Maria Lourdes B. Kabangbang. We are nine siblings. My brothers and sisters have good jobs and we have an own house. I graduated my senior high school here in Arizona High School. My school is a place where I am learn new things and the environment is safe and peaceful and the teachers is always help when we need a guidance. I really like the Arizona High School. It helps me to grow my knowledge, values, and especially my confidence. My course is a BSBA major in marketing management. I choose this course because I want to develop my leadership skills and also to prepare a good professional or good entrepreneur. My expectation in this course is it helps to develop my knowledge and skills business and also improve my communication skills. I enroll here in Southern Christian College because this is my first choice. My sister influenced me to enroll here in Southern Christian College. Southern Christian College can gives me an education, values, opportunities, and skill to succeed in life. My goal my goal is to become a good entrepreneur and or a business owner. I need to hard work, be patient, and also determination. I think the possible hindrances I may face in achieving my goals are fear of failure, lack of focus, and also limited resources. But I believe achieving my goals, I need to be determination and hard work so that I can overcome them. After 10 years, I see myself to be an CEO. Thank you and God bless.